by the cops. That's why. Hi, Jessica. How are you? Nice to have you here. A reason a person might leave town.
A funeral?
Oh, leave town for a funeral. Yes, that does happen. Show me. A funeral. Oh, not there. Not there, not there. Aaron. A reason that a person might leave town.
Go watch some friends get married.
Go watch some friends get married. Get married. Tell me, go see friends get married. Not there. All right. 2 strikes. 2 strikes, Brittany. You had momentum going there. Now you got 2 strikes, my dear.
They're moving.
Moving. Oh, of course. They're moving. No, not there, but a good reason. Come over here, see what the students can do with this question. Okay, let's keep the points going here, Marianne.
Okay.
A reason that a person might leave town.
To attend a sporting event.
To attend a sporting event. If it's up there, you stole the points. If not, the Bacon family retains those points to go to a sporting event. They worked hard for them. They're going to keep them. All right, let's reveal the remaining 2 answers up there on the board. Number 4, please. Divorce. An ex. Okay, number 5. A scandal. That's right. Bacon family takes the lead now at 243 points. I'll return a chance to Stringham's at 93, but still anybody's game. We're coming back with a big face-off right after that.
Closed captioning is sponsored in part by